Good morning students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all have become familiar with the different organ systems in our body. Today I am going to discuss different systems of our body and their functions. These are skeletal system and muscular system. Now open your book on page 50. Students, first I will discuss this term that will come in this topic, that is skeleton, the framework of bones. Now let's start reading. Skeletal system. This hard thing is a bone. There are many types of bones in our body. Some are small, some are big. In all, there are 206 bones in our body. These bones join together to form a skeleton. The skeleton forms the skeletal system. Students, the skeletal system comprises of a bony framework. Bones and joints are the organs of the skeletal system. And students, you know, we have 206 bones in our body, and the longest bone is femur, and it is present in our thigh. Students, you must take diet rich in calcium as it makes your bones strong and healthy. But if someone meets with an accident, he or she may get fracture. And students, fracture means breakage of bones. Now come along. The skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Underline word support and write its meaning, hold up. Number 2, it helps us to stand straight and walk. Then number 3, it protects organs like heart, lungs, kidneys, stomach, etc. present inside our body. Students, the skeletal system gives shape to our body. It also helps us in moving, and it protects the delicate organs like skull protects the brain and ribs protects the heart and lungs. Students, these are the functions of skeletal system. So underline it. It gives shape and support to our body. It helps us to stand straight and walk. And it also protects our delicate organs. Now come to the next page. Muscular system. This is the second system. The muscular system of our body is made up of muscles. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Some muscles are attached to the bones. Now underline word attached and write its meaning, joined. Students, muscles are joined to the bones in our body. They help in moving the arms and legs and other parts of the body. So, muscles are the organs of muscular system. Now, come along. Muscular system works with the skeleton and helps to stand, walk, run and do other activities. Underline word activities and write its meaning, tasks. Number 2, it helps us to speak, smile, shake hand, blink eyes, etc. Students, muscles of the face help to smile, frown and talk, and muscles of arms help to move the arms up and down. And human body is covered with muscles. Students, you must take diet rich in proteins as it makes your muscles strong and healthy. But if someone meets with an accident, he or she may get sprain. And students, sprain means tearing of ligaments, and ligaments are the tissues that connects two bones. Now students, underline the functions of muscular system. Number 1, helps to stand, walk and run. Number 2, it helps us to speak, smile, shake hand, etc. Students, now I am going to discuss both the systems with their organs, functions and diseases or disorders. Number 1, skeletal system. The organs of skeletal system are bones and joints, and the functions are it gives shape and support to our body. Number 2, it protects internal organs, and the disorder is fracture. Now number 2, muscular system, and the organs of muscular system is muscles. Now the functions, it helps in body movement. Number 2, it helps to speak, smile, etc. And the disorder of muscular system is sprain. Now let's revise. Number 1, what gives shape to our body? The skeletal system gives shape to our body. Number 2, how is muscular system useful to us? Muscular system helps us to stand, walk, speak, smile and do other activities. Students, tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, revise the chart and do on copy and revise questions also. Thank you.